What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we are working on a 2015 Ford F350. This F350 has a 6.2 liter engine, V8 gas engine, of course, and this is a known issue in all 6.2 liter engines. These 6.2 liter engines, and they actually have 16 spark plugs in the engine. They have an intake spark plug and an exhaust spark plug. The code we're going to be working on is P06B6, which it basically talks about a knock sensor code, right? But also these vehicles have an issue with the coils, spark jumping between the coil and the block itself. When the engine or the sensor senses that spark, it thinks it's a knock, and it goes to the knock sensor, it senses that, and it gives you the knock code. Now, I wasn't able to get too much footage of this, but I was able to get you a before and after so you can hear it and kind of what I did to test it out. Now, you can always get a scope in there and see the waveforms, the patterns, blah, blah, blah. But if you do a water test, you can really hear the difference. So here, let me show you, and then we can proceed with the fix. Okay, so we're gonna start just listening to the engine. Sounds like a regular engine. So we're gonna start spraying water between the boot and the head. You can hear the arcing right there. Now, I had already sprayed all the cylinders and I already knew where it was coming from. So in this video, I went straight for the number 5, which is the one that was arcing. You can clearly see the spark jumping right there from the boot to the head. So you might have to spray all of them to see where it's coming from or to hear where it's coming from. But in my case, it was the number 5. So you can clearly tell the difference before I sprayed the water and after I sprayed the water. Now, sometimes you might get lucky. You might hear that tick without spraying the water. But in this instance, I couldn't hear anything. So I decided to do the water test, spray water between the boot and the head itself. Not on top of the coil, not on the connectors and stuff like that, but just between kind of like the boot and the head. So if there is arcing going on and the spark going from the coil to the head, it kind of like amplifies that. And on that video that I showed, you can, well, for one, you can clearly see the spark, but before, you can hear the engine before I spray the water and after I spray the water, and you can clearly hear like almost like a knock, right? But it's actually the spark going from one place to the other. So the fix on this vehicle, I would recommend replacing every single coil, all 16 spark plugs and the wires, just because it's a known issue and we can replace one coil and then it's probably going to come back for the next coil or whatever in a week, a month or so. So might as well do all of them. All right, guys, I really hope you found this video informational. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.